very good morning to you traders. Thank you so much for joining in. So today is the expiry day 24th of December 2020 and the time is 10:25. So we have taken a couple of trades here. So our position is at 68,000 in profit. So we had just taken one single position. So the position was bought at 227. It was sold at 296. That's somewhere around 11% plus of my capital of 6 lakhs. And let me just tell you how we ended up doing it. So today, first of all, I wanted to tell you the Bank Nifty was on a very important breakout right at the beginning of the day. So it gapped up and it sustains its gap up over here at this particular point of time. So what I did was I just looked for a price action over here. I saw it is sustaining the entire price action over here in terms of waves. So at this breakout, at this particular zone is where I entered my position, and over here is where I have exited. And let me just show you that over here. So my option was bought here at 227. So this was the point that it was actually bought at. Let me just show you that over here on a big screen. And yeah. So my option was actually bought over here at this particular zone at 227. So my target was just around over here. So that's the 10% that I wanted to cover. So how and why this happened was that, see, over here when the option was actually consolidating at this particular zone, okay, the only thing that I had to do is wait for a breakout. Now today being an expiry day, I don't want to be very greedy, and neither am I playing any sort of like a jua trade in order to go ahead and get money. My conviction was pretty simple, that it breaks the high of this, I take my target of 10%, I walk out. And that's exactly what we have done today, guys. So 68,000, of course, this option has gone more than that. I don't matter. It doesn't matter that I have been able to capture it or not. Okay. So the point over here is consistency. How consistent are you in taking your profits and running away from the market? So the point is, right now it is at 10:27 and I'm already done for the day and I'm in a decent profit. My Christmas is sorted. So what am I going to do, in order to go and help you? Everybody in our trading live trading room have actually made the same thing. They saw me buy the position at 227. They saw me holding the position in profit. They saw me holding the position for the target, and they saw me book it. So that is the exact same thing that I want you guys to do. It is very simple, guys. You don't have to put your brains behind why do I need to hold this, why I need to do anything. Is this indicator going to reverse now, or is that? No, I'm going to be the guy. I'm going to be your indicator, and I'm going to tell you when to buy, and I'm going to tell you when to exit on my account, and you can just copy me. The risk and the reward is both yours. For at this moment, we have already captured a rally which was a decent amount of 150 points, and that's technically what our target is. So our option is still at the price that we had actually squared off. So just to give you a nutshell, we bought 1,000 quantity, 227, exited at 296, easy peasy. So I'm going to get back to work, and my work is with my family. So I'm going to get back to them. I'm going to enjoy the rest of the day, and my target is done. I want you guys to have the same freedom, guys. We always believe that trading is all about struggling. No, it is not about struggling. It is very much easier than what we all think it is. It is as easy as just copy my trades. So what's holding on for you to join is, it's as simple as that. Everybody's making consistent money, so can you. So join us today, and join the journey of consistency. I will look forward to see you on the other side. We had a lot of registrations that came in yesterday. I thank you guys for the ones who are watching the YouTube, and we'll look forward for some more exciting days. My goal for the entire 2020 one is going to be to make you a wealthy individual. So help me achieve that goal by you helping me, by joining our particular wave of making profits and become wealthy in 2021. Thank you so much for your time, guys. I wish you have a wonderful day. Jai Hind.